Hello.
Hello.
First, you welcome. This is the cooperative, the lady. First, this is the argan fruit. This is the dry fruit in the tree. It's like olive. It's very dry. It's like dates. And to make an argan oil, we pass with many steps. The first one, we remove the shell to get the nut. And the shell, we use it for animal food, especially goats. She like eat this. And the nut, we break it to take almonds. This almond, we use it to make an argan oil. And the second shell, can use it for fire or decoration. Excuse me. Okay, this almond, we use it to make two types of oil. We have the cosmetic one and for cooking. The difference, for cooking, for cosmetic, we use the almond cold press, but for cooking, we roast it. Because it's better we roast it like that. We crush to get this paste. This paste, we mix it with warm water. We malax by hand until argan oil comes up and this paste comes down. We separate oil and the paste. And it's the same process to making cosmetic oil. Just we use it the almond low roasted, normal. And this is the left. You can use it to make face mask or some creams. And you can see in the next way we have the traditional. The lady is making the cosmetic, but it's the same process. Just for your face, we put it in the light because it's not good for face in the sand. You heard? And we have argan oil with flavor, with scents. We use it only for hair treatment and for body also. We use it for hand, for nails, for feet, just for face smell. And you can use it for massage also. We have different smells like lemongrass, gardenia, jasmine, orange flower, rose. Okay, this is the natural one if you want to try it. Yes. Magic. And we have the smaller one, 60 ml is 80 dirham. And because it's the cooperative, the lady known as the fixed price.